I'm leaving you to be alone, to be unknown. 'Cause when the evening clouds are low, the restless city makes the whole sky glow. So I pull my curtains tight to block out the light, but I can feel the night watching me right, watching my wandering eyes fly. Oh, I've tried to see my bones at home, but they won't show. So I figured I could find myself with a thumb out to the cold rain road, with topographic maps home on my back. And now I'm stuck in tourist traps, following tracks in someone else's past. I go for my home, paper gold, paper gold. Then I go back to my house, and my thoughts, they follow me around, the same a year ago as they are now. And I've tired myself to find someplace to hide, but then when I'm out of sight, I'm out of my mind.